My name is Jerry Frans. I'm the Distribution Segment Manager at Orscheln Products. Today we're going to be talking about the capabilities that Orscheln has at our facilities here in Moberly, Missouri. In-house capabilities at Orscheln not only include our manufacturing operations and other supporting operations in the facility, but also the internal design, quality, and testing capabilities. Orscheln manufactures 5 main product groups: parking brake levers and cables, push-pull control mechanical cables. We also do transmission shift controllers, both electronic and mechanical, throttle controls, not only hand but pedals, electronic and mechanical, as well as fluid level indicators or dipsticks. In order to support our key manufacturing operations of assembly, we have several processes that we do in-house, such as powder coating, metal bending, tube bending. We have welding operations, both hand operations and robotic welding. We also do some extrusion and coiling, stranding, and then we have some zinc die casting as well as plastic injection molding. At Orscheln, our capabilities include assembly, but also design, quality, and testing capabilities. Quality certifications that Orscheln has include ISO 9001, 2015 version, ISO 14001, also 2015 version, and AS 9100D. Then we have some aircraft certifications such as FAA approval and PMA. We also have other chemical and corrosion testing that include ASTM specifications, SAE, and Ford and GM and other automotive specifications. And we have mechanical testing that includes tensile and ultimate strength, gravelometer testing, and cyclic testing, as well as some cleanliness specification testing. If you have any other questions about the capabilities of Orscheln Products, please reach out. We'll be happy to help.